for. Men down for. Moho to say, me chidi say nyamiato, moho ye. Me ding de sewa sewa. Na me free Ghana, na me teaching kasapa. Menya chise me homo. Most when ya chise me hume.
Amen.
Mante. Me say, menya chise me homo. Na most when ya chise me hume ana. Me chidi se when ya chi. Me pese me chemo enyumbi. Hello, Emofra. Moho to say, how are you? Me chidi se nyamiato, moho ye. Me ding de sewa sewa. Na menia chise enyeme humo. Hey, na wenia chise ube humi ana. Are you happy to see me? Wenia chi se ube humi ana.
Ane.
Mante. I did not hear you.
Ane.
Mantio, me say, men weni achi se ube humi ana. Me say, weni achi. Your friend me sewa sewa, na mamin to nyumbin show. Let's sing a song. Me ding de sewa sewa, me ding de sewa sewa, me frigana, me teach kasapa. Me ding de sewa sewa, me ding de sewa sewa, me frigana, me teach kasapa. Yay! Menyom no ayamode. Did you like my song?
Ane.
Oh, menia chisel sueniachi. Emofra, ye baba bisia. Roll your bowl. Ewochimu. Why a crado sel bisia? Are you ready to learn?
Ane.
Why a crado? Yo, eneyankwe. Hare, wo insio no so. Nije, obra enye kaisi. Hare, wo insio no so. Nije, obra enye kaisi. Hare, wo insio no so. Seu denchema. To me and you. Hey! Hare, walk on walk, war is your no so. Say, who then chema, be to me and you. Hey! When you want your friend a denchem?
Ane.
Chain, Mama show. Hey, a denchem. Don't say what we be that. Your friend o denchem. Say, Obiene Numa. Now I say, ne say, eye bebre. Debia ube no. Na o jari wo insium. This is a crocodile. Get friend of denchem. Ewo trimu. Se o wo boat mu na o kwa. Ubetimi ehu denchem. When you are in the boat, you can see a crocodile. You can see a denchem. Kase denchem. Yes, Santo yenyum ne bakupim. Roll your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, life is but a dream. Hare, walk a tour, war in no so. And nije, obra in ye diason. Roll your boat, Harry, walk a tour, gently down the stream. Gently, life is but a dream. When you are what you miss you I no. Yay! Why dear? Bonsem. Yay! Bye. Me na fofo. Many a chise and then besia dear. Aya me sewa. See you later. Etre Yebeshia. Bye bye.